Yo, check one.
哎，太近了，太近了，要过来一点。
Check two.
哎，烂了，烂了，要快一点，快一点。
Check one.
呀，又烂了，我进了。
Check two. Check one. Check two.
耶！哦，一条500块，还好的吧？
这边民宿呢就会有好多种，
哇哦，
还有农家乐，这边有很多吃的、玩的。
走，杰克，我带你到母育基地收母育去。母育就是我们种的，漂不漂亮？
漂亮，挺大的。
漂亮。杰克，这个母育是这样挖的啊、你看好，
好
先往边上把它刨宽一点。哦，你看这样就看到根了，看到没有？你看这个母育的根就在这里，我这样轻轻一下它就出来了。你看，看到没？好大一个，
哦，
看到没？这里，
这是最大的，
哎
我拿出来吧，
哎，可以拿的，拿可以拿。
哦
对对对，
挺好的吧？
哎，
我也想试试，可以吗？
啊，可以可以，来来来，
那我在哪里？
这里刨宽一点，哎，对对对，
这个就是摸鱼，是不是？
对对对对对。
那我这里挖
哎
吗？，
对对对，就往那里下去。嗯
有点紧张，
嗯，没事，
还要
要宽一点，哎，对，挖过来一点，
好好
宽一点，宽一点，它才出得来。嗯，对，用劲，劲太小了。
我怕我弄它坏。
嗯，没事没事，
哦，
嗯
出来了没？
没有没有，还在这里。
还在这里。我觉得这里
出来了出来了
这里的，
哎，对对对，你看出来了。
没有损坏，挺好的吧？
哎，对对对，
这是我第一次挖出来的蔬菜，
感觉怎样？
很好啊。
还要不要再试一个？
Yo, check one.
哎，太近了太近了，要过来一点。
Check two.
哎，烂了烂了，要宽一点快一点。
Check one.
呀，又烂了，我进了。
Check two. Check one. Check two.
Yes，
母育的话，病虫害又很多，然后的话，我们又不懂得怎么去预防病症，所以的话，
Growing konjac comes with its challenges, from prepping the soil to battling pests. We lacked the know-how to tackle these issues, so we handed our land over to the village cooperative for cultivation. We have contributed over 50 acres to this initiative. This move has not only been profitable for the cooperative, but has also raised our hopes for better returns.
先是通过村委会进行成立这个合作社组织。
Formed through the village committee, the cooperative is all about community involvement and shared growth. When problems crop up, we collectively find solutions. Economic progress is the cooperative's main game, with this konjac farm being a prime example. It represents our strategy of pooling together individual lands for large-scale cultivation. When individuals managed their plots in the past, the results were often subpar due to a lack of expertise and management. Now, under the cooperative's central management, we have seen a notable uptick in community income. Transferring land to the cooperative means consistent rent for villagers. Those with a knack for farming can even join the cooperative's leadership, adding another income stream. Plus, after a good harvest, we all share in the cooperative's profits through dividends, benefits we wouldn't have had farming solo.
到了以后，他就跟的就比较多，你水费
这个合作社呢，就统一了进行有专业人员来进行现场管理。
With specialists guiding the way, the cooperative uses advanced techniques, leading to better yields and greater income. A clear step up from the independent old ways.
按600块钱一亩的补给我们，然后的话，
Each acre earns us a rent of 600 yuan. Additionally, we have the opportunity to work on the farms in our free time, learning techniques from the pros. Come year end, after the konjac sales, there is a bonus dividend making the deal even sweeter. The cooperative's sales are always solid. They have got a steady stream of orders. Once the konjac is ready, it is straight to the factories for processing. Since teaming up with the cooperative, our yearly earnings have seen a boost, with an increase of over 1,000 yuan per acre. The difference is clear. Many in our community are now thriving, with cars becoming a common sight. All of us villagers are stakeholders in this cooperative. We all have a say, a right to oversee operations, and a hands-on role in its management.
我要现成干，我有点忙，你没我跑的。
不慌，
现成干，忙啊！你成我了，你这是昨天你就现成了，真凉哦，真烦，人家会称的。
杰克，今天我们茶厂在收茶叶，这些呢都是当地的村民，然后这个他们周边有很多古树茶，所以呢，来我们看一下。你再上去。
他们现在称干嘛呢？
对，来。
他们称以后有钱吗？
对，是的，这个13公斤，13.7公斤。
那这个是大概是多少钱的？
这个是20块一4斤，41公斤。
大概是400块多吗？
对，来我们算一下。
明白。一条500块，还好的吧？500块。
他们每年靠这个茶叶的话，每家可以赚几万块钱。
真的吗？
对，最少的可以赚2万多。然后呢？
树是他们的吗？还是你们的？
都是分给他们的。分给他们的，他们管。然后呢，我们每年的话就给他们，签合同订购，是这样的。
其实对我了解，你们每年参加大爱
无国际，
对无国际
义卖活动。
是的。那你们每年参加那个活动的时候，你们赚的钱都是捐了，为什么呢？那你们怎么赚钱？
是这样的，因为外交部，我们这个茶厂还有合作社嘛，然后都是在外交部帮扶之下才成立的。然后呢，我们也这个赚了一些钱，之后呢，我们就是说赚了这些钱呢。然后我们又拿来就是帮扶当地的贫困的这个老百姓，我们会选择我们这个品质最好的几款茶叶去参加大爱无国际义卖活动。
We select our finest teas for the Boundless Love charity sale, and all profits go to remote communities and those in need. Our region and the cooperative have always had the backing of the Chinese Foreign Ministry. Having once benefited from such support, I feel it's our duty now to pay it forward to my local people and hometown. I find more joy in assisting others than just profiting. With the country's supportive policies, it's crucial for us locals to set up and contribute to our communities.
能帮助到别人，我觉得比我自己赚的很多钱要开心得多。
Yo, check one.
太近了，要过来一点。
Check two.
烂了，要宽一点。
Check one.
又烂了，我进了。
Check two. Check one. Check two.
来了，耶！一条500块，还好的吧？
这边民宿呢就会有好多种，
哇哦，
还会有农家乐，这边有很多吃的、玩的。哎 ，Jacky， 你是从哪个国家来的呀？
我来自巴基斯坦。
哦，巴基斯坦。 中国跟巴基斯坦可是最要好的、最亲密的朋友。
是的，我们的关系是最好的。
我带你看一下我们村的这个情况吧 ，Jacky。你看那边正在建设的是我们的一个广场，还有那些老百姓正在这个重新修建自己的家里的房子。我们正在打造一个漂亮的文化旅游一体的边境小康村。正常的来讲，这个外交部主要的工作重心啊，还在放在对外关系、对外合作上面。但是呢，这跟中国特殊的这个政策。
Typically, foreign ministries focus on international relations and collaboration, but China's got a unique approach. The Communist Party of China has this goal called shared prosperity. The idea is to uplift some folks first and then pull everyone up together. To make that happen, there is this special assistance program. Part of it is having developed eastern coastal provinces support the less developed areas in the central and western regions. Another part is targeted assistance, where big governments, agencies, or state-owned enterprises like the Foreign Ministry help specific underdeveloped areas. How is this targeting done? The central government pairs up the strengths of different ministries with local needs. It was in 1992 that the Foreign Ministry began assisting Malipo County and its neighboring Jinping County based on the central government's plans. For 30 years now, they have been committed to these counties and helped drive rapid development locally.
马里坡是外交部定点帮扶的一个县，已经30年了。
Malipo has been under the Foreign Ministry's care for 3 decades. So basically, everyone at the ministry knows about it, and many hope to work there someday. I personally applied to work here 2 years ago and was honored to be selected after rounds of selection, and I got a 2-year stint here. My main job is to implement the Foreign Ministry's mission to assist Malipo. A big part of our daily work is leveraging the Foreign Ministry's platform, ensuring the best external resources and policies from Beijing get implemented in Malipo to spur local development. As you have seen in this village, we are building a prosperous border community. After understanding and investigating the local needs, I formulated a detailed development plan and headed to Beijing to liaise with relevant departments in an aim to win support from the Foreign Ministry. They saw the benefits of this initiative to local growth and then allocated the necessary resources to Malipo County. Then it is back here for me, discussing with locals on how to best use those funds to speed up the development of the prosperous border community and bring tangible benefits to the resident as soon as possible.
我现在带你看的就是我们大概要建好的一个民宿的这么一个样子。你看那边呢都在忙活着，有很多要新建的民宿。
有的。
现在我们在打造一个叫什么边境的现代化小康村，这样。那么依据这里头独特的云海这个优势，要把它彻底的打造开发出来。将来啊，你看你有机会打造完了以后过来住几天，
我一定会的，
会非常非常漂亮。
我也会带我的很多朋友这里。
Jacky，你看这个呢，就是我们整个未来的一个规划。这边民宿呢就会有好多种，
哇，
还会有农家乐，这边有很多吃的、玩的，这地方后面还有
看起来很不错的计划一个。
对，等这个天气好的时候啊，我们最主要是云海那一大片。